Hey guys, welcome back. So yeah, exciting. Bini na sa Weverse, right? So I hope everyone has their account created. So for those of you who don't know, matagal na yung Weverse actually. Pero mostly they only cater to K-pop, right? So yeah, good thing na they're now catering also to P-pop. So currently they have Bini and SB19. And then ngayong 11 a.m. Manila, Philippine time. So in about 3 minutes, guys, magla-live sila. So first live. Okay, so let's wait. So make sure to follow Follow nyo lahat ng accounts nila. Here, let me show you. So there, 8 following. Yeah, there. Follow nyo their main account. So how to follow? Easy. If you go to their main page, you will see here they're introduced here. So yeah, there's 8 of them, of course. So just go to profile and then click follow. Right? So sa kanilang 8, 4 pa lang nagpo-post. Okay? So wala pang post si Master, si Mika, si Gwen, and si Colette. So si Maloy meron na. There. And then si Stacy, I think. She has, right? There. And then si Aya, nakita nyo kanina. Si Honey. And then si Sheena. Ayan. Okay, ayan. 1 minute na lang, guys. Excuse me. Let's see. Ang bilis kanina. It's when I joined about 15 minutes ago, it's only 8 million. Now it's 10.5. Amazing. So yeah, before this one, actually when I was doing the reaction video for Unang Kilig, I just realized yesterday when I was watching the practice again. Oh wait, hey.
Yes! Ayan! O, di ba?
Ayan.
Ayan. Wow! Ang ganda! Ang feeling! Ang ganda naman ang backdrop natin. Thank you po. Thank you, Team B, for this,
For this wonderful setup.
and this wonderful life.
For the food.
And the cake.
And the cake and the street food.
Yeah. Hi, guys! Para lang ako panibago na syempre mag-i-introduce ulit tayo kasi new audience, new platform. Okay, let's try. Okay, game. 2, 3, mabuhay!
Hi, I'm Mika.
Hi, I'm Paulette.
I'm Maloy.
I'm Stacy.
I'm Joanna.
I'm Aya. Hi, I'm Sheena.
I'm Gwen.
And we are Beanie!
Yay!
And what is Beanie?
Beanie
The girl group.
stands is for a girl group, anak.
Yes, guys, Beanie, we are an 8-member girl group po from the Philippines. And excited po. This is our first live here on Weverse. Kaya excited po kami. At dahil first live natin, just like kung paano ang first, ano yung first, ano ba yun? Basta first birthday ng mga bata, meron din tayong cake na ibublow natin ngayon.
Oh, really? Ngayon
Yes.
na? Like right now?
Right now.
Ang
Kaya
cute
mo
ng
ba?
match. Ang Ang haba.
Ganda ng
Takot ako sa ganyan. Saan mo iyaano siya?
Wow. You're doing so good.
Wow!
Incense.
Ang ganda ng cake natin.
Yay! Cute. Let's kanta tayo.
Okay, ano?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Guys, sorry.
This is our birthday.
Birthday?
mic ko
First day.
pagkapalabas nung
First day.
when the video started.
Happy
When their live started.
Normal. Okay, happy
My mic
birthday.
was gone.
Happy birthday.
Happy Weavers Day.
Happy birthday,
I don't know how to set it, so yeah.
5, 6, 7. Happy birthday.
I just noticed when I started editing the video.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Weavers.
Birthday ng Weavers? Okay. Go it, Ate Jo.
Tayo,
Let's all go
sabay-sabay
it.
na tayo.
Happy first day, Beanie.
Kaya nga.
Happy
Kaya,
birthday,
may
Beanie
ng
on Weavers.
Ay, isa pa.
Okay.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Beanie on Weavers.
Happy birthday,
Okay,
Beanie.
5,
Haba.
6,
Happy birthday, Beanie on Weavers. Happy birthday, Beanie on Weavers. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Beanie on Weavers.
Ah, wait, make a wish.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Yung mukha tayo ni Girl.
1, 2, 3, go. Wow.
Asa ako? Sige na pala. Yes, guys, let's eat! Siyempre, habang
Yay! Face reveal muna.
Yes, guys, kayo na lang ulit namin nakasama si
Guys, isang linggo namin hindi nakasama si Vic.
Totoo.
Alam niyo lang. But she's now
fine.
here.
Yeah, she is recovering now.
She's recovering.
Madami siyang habulan, but she can do it.
Yeah. Kasi natanggalan siya. Okay lang, di ba? Na voice
Yeah.
niya. Okay lang, may permission siya. English. Four of her feeling meaning. Okay. It is a fact that Mika has her 4 wisdom tooth extracted.
What do you
Four wisdom teeth are
Impacted.
extracted
And impacted.
and impacted
and distracted.
and distracted and manipulated. And she needed surgery. Do you
Sobrang.
remember the Showtime Unang Kilig? After that, she went home and she cried. And then the next day it was the operation.
Wala
siyang magawa kasi.
I know, what do you feel about it?
And I feel nauseous about it.
Nauseous?
Ako nahihilo.
You're the one who's not. What does it mean for you?
I feel nauseous and conscious. And conscious.
And cautious.
My
Confucius.
Okay na?
Anong meaning? What does it mean?
And I feel like that's the beauty of being an 8-member girl group. We have one that is impacted. Oh! I'm also impacted. But only
Me too.
I'm a survivor.
Me too.
Okay, girls. 4. Who's impacted?
Me.
I have 2.
Me.
I have me. I survived. Are you impacted? I don't have this.
Oh. Ay, both of them
The eldest.
doesn't have wisdom.
Doesn't have a wisdom.
Not yet.
No tooth.
Let's eat.
Okay, let's eat.
Let's pray first.
Okay.
Let's pray first.
Bless us, O Lord, in this thy gifts which we are about to receive from thy bounty to Christ our Lord. Amen.
Amen. Thank you po sa
Thank you,
nag-prepare
Lord.
ng food.
Thank you for the
Salamat
food.
po. Kimchi. We have
Guys, this is
Big.
Because we are Filipino. You explain
Sushi. Okay, so guys, isaw means you're beautiful. Isaw. The spelling of isaw is I-S-A-W. So it means isaw. It means in English, I saw. I saw the sign. When it opens up my eyes, I saw the sign. I saw the sign. No. Isaw. Isaw is the intestine of chicken.
Kay Joanna ang tawa ba
Of
yun?
Joanna. No, I'm just kidding.
This is barbecue.
Yeah.
This is
Chicken meat. Yeah, it's chicken meat. Pork. Pork?
barbecue.
What's this? How do you explain this? What's
Anything you like. It's
tenga po ba to?
versatile. Grilled meat. Meat.
Grilled
Tenga po.
meat.
Grilled
Yung tenga sa amin maliit.
Pig's ear. Okay, just eat it.
Ayun, so yung isaw guys, I mean, seriously, ano siya, dalawang klase yun.
Spaghetti.
May
With
chicken
some,
intestine, tsaka may
meron din
pig
tayong brownie.
intestine.
We
So I think this one's
brownies,
small.
And we have baked sushi.
So
And
that's,
we have cake, and we have
that's chicken.
pork.
And show your
tissue.
coffee, bebe. Ay, bebe.
Bebe.
Show your coffee.
Di, wag na. Ang laki ng coffee na nabili ko.
Bebe. Guys, yung coffee na nabili niya, ganito kalaki.
Matusok eh.
Ah? Bebe, magbasa ka comments. Basa mo ba?
We have Korean.
I think what I'm saying there is that Taco
Wow! Ay, mga blooms lang yun.
really looks like
Mga blooms lang yan.
she has a ring light.
Parang, wow, you're so good. Where are you from? Ganda niyo po.
Hindi ko mabasa.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Mga blooms lang
Ito ata yung start na
Korean.
hindi sila makapaniwala na meron silang audience from different parts of the world.
US blooms din.
Meron?
Di ba taga Indonesia? Ako makasalita kasi makapasok.
No na?
Sabi ni Stako na
And guys,
he's saying
hindi na tayo kasali sa
they're just
Weavers.
blooms and they're just saying they're
Congratulations
from
po,
this one, but
Congratulations! Grabe, no? Parang members na. Sino members ba kayo ng Weavers before?
Si ano, itong dalawa.
Kayo na nagla-live, grabe na kayo.
Can we eat?
I know you're watching. This is me, your future.
Your future collaborator.
Your future collaborator.
I want baked sushi.
Dati ayaw nakasubscribe din sa Weavers. Kay Lee Min Ho. Nag-post na ako.
Kay Lee Min Ho?
Nag-post na daw siya, so hindi pa nagpo-post.
Na,
Akala nila
oh,
hindi pa
nag-hello na ako. Eto si Joanna, hindi pa nagpo-post.
Tinutulungan namin kahapon.
Ayaw kasi
Okay lang kasi you posted there naman na eh. With the cannibalismo thing.
Pero gulay.
Sabi ka nila mag-subscribe din daw kay Bebe kasi puro Joanna ko.
Ano? Hindi, yun yung first and last.
Thank you. You want?
So how are you guys? How is everyone?
How is everything? How's
Kailan
life?
kayo nag-subscribe? Ay, kailan nag-subscribe? Pare-pareho po tayong bago dito, kaya hello.
May mangga, Jo? Cannibalism again?
Merong mangga yun.
Yung cake, hatiin niyo yung cake.
Cannibalism.
Masarap.
Oh, hatiin na daw ang cake. Gwen wants to eat the cake.
Go, Gwen.
Sakit sa pusong hatiin, no? Ang ganda-ganda.
Masarap.
Ano?
Oo nga, picture.
Asan yung bukas na ano?
Wala pa tayong picture sa cake.
Makes me want seaweeds.
She can't. You need to blend it. Hindi, nguyain mo muna.
Tara, kain po dito. Halina na.
Ano?
Tara.
I think at this point I didn't know that you can what you call this? Full screen the video.
Ang sarap.
But if you full screen it, you won't be able to see the chat.
No.
Smoothie lang daw kayo.
Ang taray.
What do you want, Mix?
Smoothie si Mix. Kaya oh, meron ka? You want?
That one, I think what I'm saying is that the face card of I is really
Of summer.
amazing.
Hi.
Oh, you can't face reveal.
Even she's just eating, right? I mean, I think everyone can agree.
Cannibalismo, Jo. Ay, mangga ni Jo nasaan?
Mag-ASMR na lang tayo.
First mukbang ba to? Oh, magmumukbang kami.
Pwede daw ba pa-zoom?
No.
No.
Gusto raw po drinks ni Bebe.
6-7.
Oh, we have.
Hello from Toronto. Toronto.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Ayan.
Ano ba?
May cucumber.
Tubig.
Meron siyang cucumber.
Ha?
May cucumber daw. May gulay daw ba?
Hindi ko natikman.
Meron daw.
Oh, sino gusto
sino pa may
magkwento
gusto?
Sino gusto magkwento bakit Bloom yung fandom name natin? Paano siya nabuo?
Actually, dami mo kanin namin.
Anong ano ba
Ano
yun?
ba? Hindi,
Binibigyan tayo
actually-
nun, di ba?
Hindi, dati, nung nag-livestream tayo, marami pa tayong
Dapat nga may option pa tayong binhi.
merong harmony, maraming options yung gusto
Oo.
naming fandom name, pero nagkasundo tayo lahat, including our blooms, nagawing blooms, kasi Beanie nga, yung ano natin is flower, di ba? Parang, Ano nga yun? Yung parang...
Symbol?
Yeah, yung ano namin, flower. So parang babagay siya is bloom kasi our blooms are very beautiful and blooming.
In-announce din natin siya naka-live tayo.
Oo, naka-live tayo. Botohan ba yun?
Parang
Yes.
na-shortlisted
Oo.
from Blooms. Tapos tayo na yung namili talaga.
Yeah, that's the history of Blooms.
Blooms. And our first pre-debut song was the Coconut Nut.
I love that song. You can search.
Please watch the MV.
Please watch the music video of the
Ano
Coconut
yung
Nut.
2020?
So
November
2020. Wow.
Hi.
Tapos
Grabe
debut.
that house.
How are you guys? How are you? How do you feel today? How's life lately?
Let's ask
Start
Nick.
with Mika. How's life?
Type mo na lang kung...
Type mo na lang.
Hindi, okay lang.
Okay.
How are you?
How are you coping with your impact? Ay, no,
So,
With your wisdom tooth removal.
Malapit na.
Ilang
Almost
days ka?
recovered.
Ilang days ka ngayon?
One week.
From nung binunutan mo?
Ayun, 1 week today.
Tuesday.
One kaya din, no? Kasi, pero kailan ka maggagalaw na pwede? Kasi si Tito Boy kasi to eh.
Ano na ako gumalaw, pero hindi ko kaya yung umiti ng gano'n. Tapos,
Full out.
hindi ko pa kaya. May tahi pa yung last.
Sige nga, smile ka nga.
Wala na yung right. Wala nang
Wala
tayo
lang
yung...
tahi sa right. Pero
Ang bilis.
meron pa.
Pero wala nang bubuka dyan. Pag gumalaw ka, wala namang bubuka, walang ganun. Di ba may case ganun na before, parang gumalaw tapos bumuka doon.
Oo. Pag,
Pag
yung
masyadong...
sobra.
Oo. Pag di pa magaling.
Let's all clap for Mika. Woo! She rehearsed today at what time? Early in the morning.
I think they discussed there what happened to Mika, right?
Hindi pwede.
She had to rest because 4 of her wisdom tooth
Hindi naman
were removed.
Just stand.
Yeah, lucky.
So she's not allowed to do any rigorous activities
Kasi
or
ate ko,
else
papaus na.
Kaya,
the wounds
ganito
won't
lang
open.
energy ko. Bawal akong tumawa ng malakas. Pinipigilan ko nga.
And the hair collect naman is
It's fine.
she also got sick, I think.
Hindi ako pwede mapaos.
There.
Yeah,
So festival daw, 5 lang sila.
How about you?
Ako pili ko magkakasipon ako. So,
Mm.
kailangan ko na uminom ng...
Oo,
Yan.
yun. Ano, kasi ilang beses na ako nagkasakit last year and this year, kaya ako yung nagre-reseta sa kanila.
Ano kaming pharmacist dito?
Siya yung nagre.
Ikaw. How
Friends,
are you?
Ang dami. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
Yun lang.
I'm fine.
But you're with your friends.
Yeah, gabi-gabi na ako.
Your legs.
Hi guys, alam nyo ba recently?
Fun fact.
Fun fact. Balik. Fun fact.
Yes.
Ano, parang yung sa training kasi
Ayan,
sobrang
guys, na full
intense
screen ko na siya.
rehearsals namin. May mga
Ngayon ko lang
snoring,
na-realize.
ganyan.
That was what?
Yung right leg ko dahil
Almost 20 minutes into the live?
Tumigas siya, hindi ko siya magalaw. Tapos hindi rin ako makalakad ng maayos. Literal na yung left leg ko na lang yung nagbubuhat sa buong katawan ko. Kaya, ayun. Yeah, but I'm okay now. Thank you
Yeah,
po,
so-
Tia. Ikaw naman, Jo.
Stacey was
I'm
talking about
happy.
what happened to her also.
And, wala, feeling ko lang ang productive ng days natin recently. Yun.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Basta I'm full. Lagi akong busog yun.
Di ba nag-gym ka?
Ha?
Gym ka?
First and last na.
Yung nanay ko kasi, pero syempre nakaka-guilty hindi kainin yung mga luto. Ito wala din. Doble-doble
Sinisimo pa yung
lahat ng
nanay.
kain ko.
Tita Jonah,
Yeah,
it's your fault.
it's your fault. Ikaw naman. Ikaw naman, ate Ay.
Ikaw naman, Ate Aya.
Aya.
Thank you pala sa Mangga, Ate Aya. Nagbigay siya ng sobrang
Yeah.
daming mangga kagabi.
Yes.
Ay,
Ay,
hangga
ah.
kagabi na sa video.
Credits to Ate Aya. Sa kanya pala
Ayun,
yung
nakita ko nasa van kasi ako tapos may ano sa labas.
Bilyang.
May naghawak ng mga mangga.
Ah, oo.
Tapos may picture ni Lord ko. Sige lang. Binili ko lahat.
Pero
Grabe.
sarap, matumi siya.
How are you lately?
Me, not work, condo, gym. That's it.
Wow!
Walang iba.
Ganun dapat Ate Jo, consistent.
Consistent.
Hindi yung first and last.
Work on the...
Kain.
Work on... Binubulong lang.
Yung gym pabulong lang.
Work on the...
beses niya lang ginawa. Ay, first and last na.
Work on the...
Ikaw, Bebe, how are you and your isaw?
And your...
And your impacted tooth?
I don't know.
I'm good. Ano oras ka nagising para mag-blower?
8 a.m.
She, what are you eating, these past few days?
Ay, wow, be proud, be proud. Oh.
I have no choice but to eat gulay.
Wow! Achievement!
But I don't want na. Basta, I'm eating na guys. I'm eating gulay na. My favorite gulay is lettuce.
She's really like, no,
Nakita ko siya.
It's an achievement.
he doesn't
Diba,
like
nakita yung na-order niyo
vegetables.
salad. Lahat natira yung gulay, tapos naubos yung karning. Naubos yung steak na kasama yung gulay natin.
Whatever.
Ay, ka, Bebe.
Ikaw naman, Gwen.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Guys, okay na yun. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for today. That's it.
Hanggang 12 lang ako today.
Gwen na Gwen,
500
no?
words lang si Gwen sa isang araw. I
No,
feel more stronger.
Stronger.
If I coach me. Stronger. Kasi productive nga kami. Dami namin ginagawa. So parang nagain ko ulit yung strength like before, you know, you get me.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, happy birthday kay Tita Malu. Happy 60th
Yes!
birthday. 60, di ba? Si Tita Malu.
Ay, alam 16th yun.
Ah.
Sobrang bata. Baddie.
Yeah, Daddy, yari. Ikaw naman, Sir James. How are you today?
Behind the camera.
Ay, cut na natin yung cake dahil gusto nang kainin ni Gwen.
Yes.
Sige, go.
May pang-cut ba? Ito. Ay,
Or ito. Oh.
Cake. Pork. Cake.
I think what I'm talking about here is, I'm saying that
Ganun na lang tayo.
Gwen is so thin, right? But she loves to eat, man. I mean,
Or, tanggalin na lang natin.
Hindi. Ay, malambot. Ay, soft.
I envy that one.
Gusto niya i-try kung
Right?
malambot.
Because
Sabi na nga yung mga...
how can she be that thin and eat a lot? Man, I would like that one.
Ano daw? Sabi ko ba nga...
bigay mo ng blooms yun, oh. Sa pero,
Si Mika yung pinakaunang si Mika yung, di ba may tradition tayo na lagi tayo nagsa-celebrate, lagi nagbibigay yung blooms. So, si Mika yung
Unang-una.
nag-start, no, nasa Star Hunt pa tayo. Tapos
Oo, may
cake,
lechon.
may lechon, may spaghetti.
bawal ba tayo kumain yun? Kwento mo.
Tapos yung cake
Hindi
ni...
nakakatawa eh.
Yung cake ni Mix kamukha ni Joe.
Wala kasi
Oh,
picture, di maganda. Basta merong cake noon si Mix, tapos mataas siya, like 3 layer ata.
Ang volleyball player pa
Tapos fondant, tapos merong mukha ni Mix na volleyball player, pero kamukha ni Ate Jo. Tapos, di ba kasi diet kami noon, hindi pa naman kami.
Ayan, so
paldo.
for those who don't understand,
Tinitipid
I
namin
mean,
yung cake ni Mix
Oo,
for...
1 month.
they're saying that, I mean, Chino is talking about
Yung 1 month
before, when they were still in training, they got a cake for Mika. I mean, someone gave Mika a cake, which is about 3 layers, in a shape of a volleyball player.
Kaya umabot siya ng 1
But the
month
face
kasi
looks like Joanna.
Weekends lang kami pwedeng may cheat day kami sa
Oo, pala
sa
weekend.
Star.
Kukuha na kami kumakain sa loob ng ref.
Gusto mo ilapit sa'yo yung laptop sa'yo?
And since they're saving it, I mean, they're not allowed to eat, right?
It's part of it eh.
So it lasted for 1 month.
Kain dito.
Cake or...
Okay. Go, Bebe. Kaya mo ba?
Baka
Nako, nanghihina na si Gwen. Anong flavor niyan? Baka
tumumba yung
blueberry.
Gusto mo nung ano? Ito pala, oh.
Wala, huwag ko kinagatan ko. Akin na lang.
Kinagatan?
Hindi, ito ginanon ko kasi.
Hindi, kakakuha ko lang yan.
Hindi, kinagatan ko kasi ginanon
Ay,
ko.
sa-
Tinest ko if nakakain siya.
Ay, hanep.
Ang gulo talaga nila. Ako ba yun?
Ay, hanep.
Parang
Mga
may
paro
talaga
talaga kayo.
Ayan, naabot yung 2 months naman to. Dali natin
Ayan,
sa
okay na.
Sa Coachella.
Get well soon daw, Bini Mika. Thank you daw po.
O, hati-hati.
Share
Wala.
na lang ng plate.
Ang hirap talaga ng phone. Kung sino mo yung nag-bake dito, nagising ka ng maaga today. Di ba dapat kasi fresh ginagawa ang cake?
Yes.
Parang
Especially
fresh kapag
We?
Hindi, especially pag siguro yung fondant, pero na-bake niya na yan siguro.
Yes,
Pag
yes,
mga
kaya naalala ko.
3 a.m.
Then, na-ref na niya to.
May picture ako kasi.
Itong size of ginapay.
Yeah,
Tapos yung fondant.
Kanina lang ginawa siguro.
Sige, hello kayo.
Ang hirap pala nitong nakatayong cake.
Halo, kain mo na ito.
How are you guys preparing for Coachella daw, leader?
Preparing for Coachella?
Ayan, masakit katawan nila.
Oo, hindi seryoso.
Araw-araw.
Nakakapagod talaga training.
Yes.
Gonna be worth it.
Tsaka pag nagkasakit tayo, hindi sabay-sabay, isa-isa. So yun din yung mahirap. Parang,
Last time, tatlo.
oo, last
First
time
time
tatlo,
natin,
tapos isa-isa.
tatlong absent
Oo,
pala.
first
Eh,
time.
where?
First time kasi nagana yung blooms na parang nangyari na rin daw yun, pero hindi. Pinakaunti natin, yung red velvet.
Yung wala si Ate Aya tsaka si Gwen.
Oo, tama.
Si
Kasi
Mix.
Andun Gwen
Oh,
and
share.
Yun na yung pinakaunti natin dalawa.
Pero yung sakit kasi hindi naman yan na sa schedule. So pag alam mo yun, parang
Priority.
o pwedeng okay ka today,
Prioritize
pero
your health.
bukas, 'di ba, may mafe-feel
You'll
kang
never
ano.
know.
Hindi, ang anay kasi, it's either isa-isa or biglang sabay-sabay.
Oo, ganun.
May times na nagkakahawa. Siyempre, lagi pa naman tayo magkakasama.
Totoo. Tapos nagkikiss sa lady.
Yeah, lo.
Parang may hinanakit ka sa akin, bebe. Sa amin yan.
Masarap. Kayong dalawa lang, kay Bebe wala.
Min sa akin kaya ako naka...
Ano tayo yung
Isang beses nga tayo nag-TV.
Ayun.
Yan, yung sarap ng cake.
Gusto nyo?
Later.
Masarap.
Sino magsasample ng kanta?
Sino magkaroon? Masarap yung
Ay, grabe.
Sana pala dinala ko yung ano ko.
Oh my gosh, Gwen.
Tikim daw.
Inutso.
Ay, hindi. Turuan natin sila ng Filipino words.
Fondant? No.
Hindi kasi tayo sure kung lahat ng audience natin ay, ano, alam mo yun, mga
Ang Pinoy.
Pinoys.
Feeling ko may mga tatlong Americans.
Okay, let's teach them Filipino words.
Go.
Okay.
That's the only problem if it's
Hello?
Naglag. Nakatulog.
Ay, nakatulog.
Anong
Ay, nakatulog.
Okay. Mabuhay.
Parang greedy.
Mabuhay is like,
Oo. Actually, kapag direct translation, ang mabuhay is parang long live. Parang ganon. Pero we use it as a greeting. Like, mabuhay. So,
buhay.
oo, if you're not
Hello.
Filipino, pwedeng sabihin nyo yun sa mga, pag pupunta kayong Philippines ka na mabuhay.
Yup.
Next.
That's good,
Baka
Ate
may
Jo.
bibig kasi dyan eh.
Pero hindi rin nila naintindihan. Kasi
Ang sarap.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay. Yun. Parang siyang hello, parang ganon.
Parang sawadi ka.
Na very formal, ganun.
Yeah. How about giggle, Jo? What does giggle means?
Giggle. Your
It means squishy. When something is cute, parang you want to squeeze it down, you know?
you want-
Sobrang cute, oh. Oh, eto she.
131 na siya.
Okay, next word. A. It's just a...
31K.
Just an expression.
K?
Let's
K?
shout out.
132,000?
130k viewers.
Saan po kayo galing?
130K?
What? Ang dami!
32 na, 32.
100!
Oh! Hello!
Oh my gosh!
introduce our group.
Go.
132? 30,000?
Oo nga!
From Seattle, from Thailand,
Wow! Hi guys!
Austria,
Ayan, oh.
Wow,
132.
thank you everyone.
Houston,
132?
Australia.
33 na, 33.
Okay, let's give them a shout out.
Hello everyone!
Hi.
Viewers.
Hi Zaira. Okay. Hi Joseo. Hi Carlise. Blink.
Oh.
Hi Blink.
Galing sila,
Hi.
ano, Chicago.
Hi
New
from
York,
Japan.
Japan.
Hi.
Bulacan, Laguna, Albay.
What's up? Hi.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching our first ever live here in Weavers.
Yeah.
Bear with us.
Yeah. It's the first time. Yeah.
It's our birthday.
It's our birthday.
Yeah!
Birthday here.
It's a birthday.
Ay, hindi mo alam kung seryoso kung mga
Hi everyone. Hi from all over the world.
Feeling ko yung mga
Mga blooms lang to.
Oo, parang hirap paniwalaan mo.
Ang hirap yung paniwalaan, ah. Ito naman, o sino magaling mag-Korean?
Ate Maloy.
Oh, Ate Malo.
Okay, since Weverse is a Korean platform, we're gonna try to speak some Korean words. Please bear with us because we're not Koreans, but we're gonna try our best. 안녕하세요. Let's say 안녕하세요, guys.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
We are Beanie.
Okay, 감사합니다. 감사합니다, Blooms.
Thank you. 감사합니다.
사랑해.
Di ba magaling ka, di ba fluent ka mag-Korean?
화장실 가루도요.
Yeah. Can I please go to the CR?
14 million hearts.
Wow!
Thank you.
Sarangayo.
Tap-tap.
Million?
Ayan o. Nakita pa
Saan
lang.
galing yan?
137.
138 views.
Dami!
138. 14 million 800.
Oh, what are ano pa?
Congrats. Is the part there where their stream starts to lag because of the 200k viewers. Yeah, it's there.
Ate Aya, si Ate Aya magaling to mag-Korean.
Because the chat is still going. It's their video.
Wala na.
Kailangan may malawak.
It jumped.
Korean yun.
Ay, hindi magsusunod tayo lyrics. Kantayin natin yung chorus. Dali na.
Or yung kay ano, kay Taeyeon.
Ito.
You better know.
No.
Taas ba?
Taas na. Ano?
Title
Wala.
Yes, nawala tayo.
Wala tayo.
Pwede, iro kay iro
Before it finishes, maybe it goes to 500.
kay Radonol.
I'm here. Ano yan?
I'm still.
Red Velvet?
175.
Drama yun?
Hotel de Luna.
Wow, 185.
I'm still.
Yung napunta sila sa 180.
Yeah.
195k
Crash
viewers.
Crash Landing on You.
Amazing.
Guys,
Crash
almost
Landing on You.
200k viewers na.
What? Ayun na
Already, right? It's 228.
tayo. Here I am again.
Yay! Again. 200k viewers. Hello.
Mapapagaman!
Ayun na lang!
Mas maganda po yung cover namin noon. Hindi, papalgaman. Parang Red Velvet.
Search mo Red Velvet.
Red Velvet. May comeback ng Red Velvet.
Yeah.
Hindi si ano naman. Si Irene.
Ano title nun?
Ano, Red Flavor.
Backstory, guys.
Easy lyrics ba tayo? No?
Yes. Oo. Ito yung mga, these are the Korean songs we used to sing when we were in trainees.
Yeah.
When we were just trainees.
Yeah.
Wow.
Di ko magagawa, nararamdaman pag ikaw ang katabi. Sasabihin ko ba?
lol, para marinig.
Heart so strong. Oh, ba't nakakabaliw tong pag-ibig? Baby, no more games. Just give me a sign. Kung ba na sa'kin manggaling? Gusto mo ba malaman ano ang iniisip? Let's lose track of the time and rewind and repeat. 'Cause boy, it's my guarantee. Doon sa tamis ng unang kilig. Ooh, unang kilig. Ooh, unang kilig. Yeah.
Yes! Unang Kilig is our latest single po. So if you have time, you can listen to it on all digital streaming platforms worldwide. Yes. Unang Kilig and Honey.
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 Yeah. So, ilan yung viewers natin?
We're on Please,
Wow! Bakit ang dami?
Ay,
I cannot believe it.
Maybe because it's
Wow.
Lunchtime daw. Baka.
Ayun, nakakatawa to eh. Kasi hindi sila makapaniwala na
mga napadaan lang.
nasa 300,000 viewers.
Mga napadaan lang.
Right?
To everyone who just passed by.
Napadaan lang eh.
Sige,
Hi, we're
translate.
Beanie.
Translate namin
Ako
lahat ng thoughts
Tagalog
mo.
ah.
Okay.
Sa lahat po lang napadaan lang, maraming salamat po sa pagpapanood sa aming Beanie. We're just a new
Wait
group.
lang, ang haba.
Wait.
Per ano naman? Per phrase
Per
naman.
ano?
Okay.
Sa lahat po lang napadaan, hello po, kami po ang Beanie.
Hello to everyone who's watching. We're Beanie.
And sobra na may kinagagalak na nanonood kayo ngayon dito.
And
We are
so
delighted to have you
grateful.
here.
Just choose A or B.
Aray!
Or C, Regine Velasquez.
A or B?
Or C, Regine Velasquez.
Sorry.
Okay, next.
Ako po ay...
Go, bebe. Laliman.
Okay, that's it for now.
Ay, nakatulog? Okay na. Ano, hindi. Ako Tagalog. Kayo sa English. Ano?
Hindi, dapat kami Tagalog.
ABC.
Ikaw Tagalog.
Hindi si Joker.
Hindi, ano mo?
Sige, Tagalog na lang. Game. English ka?
Tagalog nga ako.
Tagalog siya.
English ka!
English
Ikaw
siya.
yung pambato namin eh.
Wala kasi yung... Pagkatapos po ng aming... Ano English na? Pagkatapos po ng aming palabas.
Live stream mo.
Palabas na ito. Pagkatapos po ng aming kaganapang ito ay puspusan na po ulit ang aming pag-iensayo.
After our live stream today, after this, we're gonna continue our rigorous training.
Spell rigorous.
Spell rigorous.
Rigor.
No.
Okay,
No.
Try lang.
And
Rigorous
no
action.
Go, bebe. You can do
Lumalabas
it.
lang siya pag nasa UK talaga.
Just say one word na UK accent. How are you today?
And a disclaimer muna na ano lang yan. Na natutunan. Hindi ka ano. Wag na. Wag na.
Or exuberant. Nakita ko yung sino nag-isip?
Oh,
May
ano
nakalagay
daw meaning nun?
Hindi ako naglagay yun, like, for your information.
Ano yun?
Exuberant. What does that mean?
Ay, ito.
Hey Siri.
Ala.
Yung kulit eh.
Tayo'y mga
Exuberant.
Exuberant.
It means someone or
Exuberant.
something full of energy.
Light,
Yeah.
energy, high.
Something produce a great abundance.
Watching from Vegas. Ooh.
Hello.
Comment where you're
from. Comment like your
Flag.
Yes, comment your flags.
So we can see and know.
And be honest.
Naku, yung Blooms magko-comment yan ng
Kaya nga.
Blooms, pag di ka Pinas ka, Philippine flag.
Yes.
Or
Please,
else, you're
Blooms,
not
don't
appearing.
loko-loko us.
Watching from Canada. Hello.
And the
Australia.
Comment your
Kulit
flag.
na ito ni ano,
Makati
no?
daw.
Listato.
Canada,
Canada,
Philippines,
US,
UAE.
USA,
Daming Pilipinas. Sobrang daming Philippines. Feeling ko
From
dito-
Dubai.
Philippines,
Japan.
ayo nga, Indonesia,
It's like they don't know they're very famous.
Yung
already.
viewers.
They can't believe that
China.
they have fans all over the world.
Malaysia.
Maryland.
South,
Totoo ba yan?
Ang dami! Ano po?
Switzerland. Wow.
May K po bang nakalagay? May K?
New
Oo nga.
Zealand. Hello.
Si Joanna, ayaw maniwala.
Korea, South Korea.
Hey, K daw.
Canada.
Australia.
Philippines.
Ayun o, we have 385,000 views.
Saan nakikita yun?
Ito yung heart, 17 million.
Right here.
Sorry guys, I'll fix my mic next time. I don't know what's happening.
That's
New Zealand.
So I'm actually just
Spain.
recording it over the
Sana
video
makapag-show tayo
right
sa
now.
Spain.
True.
So you might still hear my previous audio.
Japan, Indonesia.
Japan.
Actually,
Malaysia.
konti pa lang Asia natin eh.
Puro North
Puro
America.
ano tayo, yes. North America.
Hopefully. Yes, hopefully soon.
Yeah.
May magkaroon ang lamig.
Yes, please follow Beanie Community here on Weverse.
Yes, guys!
Iba yung
For more
members
updates.
na naka-follow. I saw that. So if member ka, follow also the Beanie Community.
Yes, guys, we will be posting
It's different.
updates.
More contents.
Kung ano-ano.
If you want to see this
Hindi,
face, follow.
Basta magkaiba siya. Iba yung member ka, tapos iba yung naka-follow ka. So dalawa yung dapat yeah, nakita ko yun. Kasi ang dami nating members, di ba? Pero yung followers, nasa 2K.
Please follow.
Yeah, so please follow.
Yeah, so
Please
yeah,
follow
what
on
they're saying is
Twitter.
you need to follow the actual the Beanie, not just their personal
Okay
accounts,
guys,
but
let's take some screenshot moments.
Okay, guys, screenshot nyo to.
The actual
Take a
artist.
screenshot. Happy first day on
like for
Weverse.
BTS, right? So they have 7 different members,
first
but they have the
smile.
the
Smile.
BTS
Okay,
account.
smile. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, next. Ito.
Ano yan? Weverse.
So that one I'm actually taking a screenshot of
Muna, and then Weverse.
them.
Beanie.
1, 2, 3, go.
It's so hard. That's why if you look, I'm quite serious. I'm trying to catch.
J. Joanna.
Joanna.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Next. Ano to? Weverse.
Dapat view isa.
That I wasn't able to
We.
screenshot that one.
Pag POV nila, W. Tama.
Tama.
Kailangan M. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Tatlo yung kayo. B yung isa.
B yung isa, ito.
Yung
kabila.
left. Yung left.
Oh, I thought they did both W's there. So
1,
they
2, 3.
W. Okay.
Next, number 1. 1, 2, 3.
Kasi it's her first date.
Oh, Egyo.
Egyo. Pa-close up po kay Ate Aya.
Yo. Ang cute.
Egyo.
Paano Egyo?
Ano ba yun?
Ganito.
Papakit lang. Oh, finger heart. Oh.
Finger heart.
Oh, finger heart to.
Next. Next, ending fairy.
Kasi heart. Iba yung ginawa.
Oh, next. Oh, pogi pose, pogi. Oh,
Sige, pogi.
What's that? That one I don't know.
Sabi niyo na tera. Panis yung mga pogi. Panis. Okay.
Alden pose.
Okay, Alden pose.
Go, bebe!
Bebe, kaya mo na yan. Pa-zoom in.
Pati hindi ko pala kitang ginagawa ng Alden.
I was hoping they did that. Only Sheena did it.
Wala, Egyo daw, Ate Colette. Dali na, first day naman.
Si Mix mag-egyo pag magaling na, okay? 6, 7.
May utang sa ing.
Okay, 6, 7 sa Tati Aya. Sabi ng
So their live here is about to end. So yeah.
Put your fingers in.
Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and always don't forget to stay safe. Always have fun. Bye.
1,